Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Time for another Dollar Tree pour. I have a 12 by 12 canvas. I have a little paint left over from a recent pour. So we're going to use this to start and add more to it. What I'm going to do today is I have this really neat craft. It's a piece of wood, obviously, with a heart shape cut out of it. But it's intended to be a picture frame that you can do any sort of craft project with, hence the blank wood. I picked it up at Dollar Tree. There was a picture of some generic thing in there, and it's got the little prongs on the back that you can press down to hold the picture in. There's even a little dowel that fits right in here and helps your picture frame sit up when it's done. So I'm going to pour over this to decorate it. And we are going to put it up from the canvas a little bit. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out what the best thing. I want something that won't leave much of its own imprint in the paint and will also provide a certain amount of stability, because this is going to be balanced somewhat precariously on here. Hopefully it won't get too paint heavy over here and tip off, and I'll try and monitor things, keep that from happening. So anyway, we are going to fill this 10-ounce cup because we need a minimum of 9 ounces to pour over our canvas, and some of the paint will stay here on the picture frame, and then we'll remove that and we will tilt and see what we get. So for my paint choices today, I thought it would be kind of interesting to use only the 6 colors offered in the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic line. These are the bottles that look like this from Michaels. Obviously yellow, white, red, blue, green, and black. So that's what we're using. And let's see what we get. I'm almost out of the white, but that's okay. I'm just going to keep layering these colors in no particular order. And there goes my white. Okay, put my paints away. And now I want to cover the entire piece of wood, so it's going to be a sort of traveling tree ring sort of thing. Let's do some tilting with our wood piece. That looks pretty cool. Okay, put that over to the side. Again, precariously perched. Alrighty, and now we tilt. Again. Wow, that is cool. Much darker and more dramatic than the wooden piece. Very, very cool. All right, let me get cleaned up and then we'll go in and check out the close-ups for both of these. Hang tight. All right, let's start with our wooden piece, our picture frame, the right side, across the top, down the left. That is very pretty. And the close-up on our painting, lower right corner, across the bottom, lower left, up the left side, upper left, across the top, upper right corner. There we go. And then here is the entire thing. Thanks everyone. Hope you enjoyed the show. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.